and the flag with an eagle eating a snake or holding a snake. And Mexico. Yay, Mexico. Next one. We're going to South America. Woo. We're going down south. Brazil. And the people. Okay, so people from Brazil are called Brazilian.
Portuguese. Portuguese. The language is Portuguese.
That's true.
Yes.
Okay.
And their national dish is the bean stew with beef or pork. Anybody want to try and pronounce it?
Frijola.
What is it?
Frijola. La frijola. Frijola.
Frijola.
Portuguese.
Bejota. Bejota.
Frijola.
Bejota. Bejota.
And the Brazilian flag, which has stars on
Yeah, make sure, pay attention to the flag because
Yeah.
the next activity is going to be quizzing you. You have to recognize the flag of the
Oh.
country. So,
This is a pretty flag with the stars.
Okay, and the map of Brazil. Yay!
Very big country.
Yes, it is very good. Okay, now we're going to.
Do you come from Brazil? You come,
Yes.
you traveled, you
Oh.
came from,
I
the-
live, it's near, my country is near Brazil
it is?
and Colombia.
Oh, Colombia, okay.
She's from Venezuela.
Yeah, from Venezuela.
So the
But
next.
you're familiar with all of that here.
Okay, so the next country is Peru, and the people there
Yes, it's true.
are Peruvian, and they speak Spanish just like Mexico. And their national dish is
Good ceviche.
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 Ceviche. Fresh
Mm.
raw fish marinated in
Yummy.
citrus juices and spiced with chili peppers. Ooh. And there's lots of variations of the Peruvian flag, so I didn't know what one to choose, so remember this. I'm not going too fast. And here's Peru. So awesome. Okay. Next, we're going to travel to Europe. Yay! I want to go to Europe. First country is Sweden. Now, they can be called Swedish or Swedes, but I think Swedes is more like local.
Well, Swedish is like an adjective, and then Swede is like a noun. So, they are Swedish, or those Swedes.
There you
I
go.
think Swedes might be maybe a little ruder.
So,
And Swede has another E at the end.
oh really? Oops, sorry. It's supposed to be.
Sweats.
Just hold on, let me write this for you guys. Okay, it's supposed to be. Okay, this is the correct one. And they like crayfish parties. And I can't say that because
Krafskiva.
Krafski what?
Krafskiva.
Krafskiva. Okay. And they speak Swedish. So it's very similar to the language and the nationality. The way they're said is very similar. So it's confusing. You just have to know how to put it in the right sentence. And Sweden. Don't focus on Norway or Finland. Just Sweden in the orange over here. So next one we are going to Russia. And then they are Russian. And they eat. Bryce, would you like to translate?
Okroshka.
Okroshka.
Okay. Which is cold soup of brown vegetables, boiled potatoes, eggs, and cooked meat. And they speak Russian, which is very like, similar, like Swedish. Speak Swedish. So the Russians speak Russian. And by the way, the flag is actually white, blue, and red. It just didn't show up. So I am very sorry. So everybody ready? Okay. And here's Russia in the yellow parts. In Siberia over there. Okay, so remember, Russia looks like this. Now we're going to Portugal. And they are Portuguese. And they also speak Portuguese. So yay! I'm Portuguese. Well, part anyway. Random fact of the day. And their national dish, well, one of their national dishes is bacalhau, which is dried and salted codfish. And their flag has a shield on it, and I have no idea what that represents, so I'm sorry. I couldn't look into that. Map of Portugal is in the orange area. And look, it's right next to Spain. How cool. Okay, now we're going to Ireland. Yay! And the flag is green, white, and orange. So remember that. You're gonna need to put that in your brain somewhere for the game next. And so the people there are called Irish, and their dish is Irish stew, which is a stew made from lamb, potatoes, onions, parsley, and sometimes carrots. And it's actually really delicious. And they speak English and Irish. There it is in orange. Oh, and green.
Wow.
Okay, so basically this whole thing is Ireland. Just depends.
Well, the orange is the Republic of Ireland, and the green is part of the United Kingdom.
The more you know. So Ireland. Oops, okay, Greece.
Okay.
Oopsies. You guys want to look at the map one more time or no? Okay, we'll just move on. So, Greece, the people are called Greek or Hellenes.
Helen.
Hellen. And they also speak Greek. Oh my gosh, so many similar ones. Swedish and Swedish. Portuguese and Portuguese. Greek and Greek. Okay. But their national dish is
Moussaka.
moussaka. Oh, thank you. Moussaka. A 3-layer dish using eggplant or potato.
Yeah.
And their flag, blue and white. Kind of looks familiar. You know, maybe it looks like America's flag, but less complicated.
No stars.
Yeah, no stars. It has a